Friends, welcome to our channel, Properties at Nama Mysuru. Today I'm showing you a beautiful luxury, villas. It's a 3 BHK luxury villas for sale. It's a gated community project with 4 acres, and it's ready to occupy villas. So you can see, beautifully elevated roads, and villas. It's a 30 by 40 built up villas presently available. So these villas are for sale, and it's a north facing villa or a plot with 3 bedroom duplex house. So you can just watch, this is a it has a automated gates and luxury features inside the house. So this villas are at very close to JP Nagar Ring Road, Mysuru. So this is the car parking area, which has a sump plus water harvesting. So both are available, sump for the normal water and for the rainwater harvesting. So this villas are luxury villas very close to JP Nagar Ring Road, Mysuru. So with all luxury features like teakwood doors, windows, and it has a biometric lock plus CCTV around the house plus 24 bar 7 security, then garden area. So beautifully elevated, greenery space and spacious roads. So you can just watch, it's a premium luxury villas with vitrified flooring, and you can just see this is the living area. So basically what I'm showing you is a model villa. So whatever you see, the furnitures are not included in the cost. Basically the structural wall, and the flooring, and the basic whatever the fixtures would be, given. So you can just see the natural light for the living area. So not all the time you don't require to switch on the lights. So there is a natural light, space given. Only limited villas are available for sale. This is the dining area, where a 6-seater dining table can be placed, and you have a puja room facing towards east with the teakwood doors, and you have a Italian kitchen with all, like kitchen cabinets, and all basic fixtures, like it's a beautifully done, villa actually, like the chimney, the gas knob. So the interiors are taken care very well, and it's a luxury kind of villas. So it's a utility area and safety grills around the villa actually. So you can just watch the rain harvesting, filter. So very limited 30 by 40 villas are available, and the built up area is around 18 squares. That's around 1800 square feet. So this is the first bedroom which I am showing you. So I'm just making it clear that the whatever the fixtures like the cot, whatever shown is not included in the cost. So you can have a kind of open the door also, the balcony basically on the back side. So this has a common bathroom on the ground floor with all premium fixtures, like the shower, western closet, and the sink. With exhaust. So as said, it is a 4 acres gated community villas. So presently 30-40 villas are available ready to occupy. Now we are moving on to first floor, so which has a granite steps plus teakwood railings and automated sensor lights. So you don't have to switch on the lights all the time when you go up and down through the steps. So this is a common area. So you can watch the common area. So this is the second bedroom which I am showing you. So it has a additional feature is it has a balcony plus attached bathroom. So you can watch it has a dressing unit, separately, and attached bathroom. So this is the attached bathroom with premium fixtures like the shower, western closet. This also has a natural light, so you can just watch with Teflon glass on the top, and so you can have the natural light to pass through. So it has a balcony also, sit out area. So you can watch the outer view with spacious road. So it's a 3 BHK, these are 3 bedroom villas. This is for sale and ready to occupy villas. So this is a model villa which I am showing you now. So this has a second sit out area or a balcony area. So and now we are going to the third bedroom actually. So this also is a spacious bedroom, and this also comes with an attached bathroom. So with wooden flooring and attached bathroom. So with premium fixtures again. So like the western closet, shower, then the sink, mirror, exhaust. So very neatly and beautifully done villas. And to be honest, these are premium luxury villas, for sale. And only few villas are available. So now we are moving on to the terrace area. Terrace area, again it has a granite steps and teakwood railings till the top. So nowhere the quality is been compromised. So these villas are for sale, and this includes the uh, plot and the construction. So there is no kind of the site cost and the construction cost. It's all inclusive. The villa cost around 1 crore 25 lakhs and ready to occupy villas. So it's a gated community, 25 bar security plus CCTV, and all the premium fixtures are available. Presently 30-40 villas are available for ready to occupy. So if you need, you can contact me for bookings or a site visit. And these are floor plans which I've shared to you, and you can connect me on the blinking number. And thank you for watching Properties at Nama Mysuru.